This video is for a 13-inch MacBook Air repair, and the problem for this laptop is not power on. Let's connect in the power. The power is getting, but the ampere is not enough for power on the machine, and it keeps dropping. Let's disassembling the machine to see what's going wrong on the motherboard. After open the back panel, we can directly see the motherboard is damaged by the water. There are a lot of water mark around the motherboard. The water looks like it's getting from the back, the air port. Let's take the motherboard out to see is there any water damage in the other side of the motherboard. We can see the watermark in this side. The watermark mainly is going to the LCD backlit chipset in this side. Let's have a quick test to see if any short circuit on the motherboard. After testing, we cannot find any short circuit on the major component. Let's mark it down the water damaging area on the paper. After finish the paper report, then we can start clean the motherboard first. After cleaning, we will be able to see on the actual chipset is any burning damage. It looks quite lucky. After fully clean, we didn't see any burning mark on the component. The badly chipsets take very long time to wash the chipsets, especially underneath of the chipset as well. But lucky thing is after wash, all the testing, we can't find any short circuit. And let's put the component back to have a try to see if the repair is successful or not. Let's connect in the power. The power ampere is going up. The battery start charging and the machine is power on. The machine is successful logged into the operating system. Touchpad is working and the keyboard is working as well. The repair is successful.